Hello everyone, welcome you all. I am Shanbagavalli from Bharathidasanar Metric Higher Secondary School, Arakonam. Now it's the time to learn. That is, we are ready to learn complex numbers, JEE Mathematics, that is complex number. Now we are going to see the interesting problems. Problem number 1, the number of complex numbers Z which satisfy Z square plus 2 into modulus of Z square equal to 2 is option A 0, option B 2, option C 3, option D 4. Now we want to find number of complex number. That is our question. Yes. Solution. So what is given? Given Z square plus 2 into modulus of Z square equal to 2. Okay, that is Z square equal to 2 minus 2 into modulus of Z square. Taking 2 outside, 1 minus modulus of Z square. This is real if Z is either purely real or imaginary Suppose Z is purely real. What happened? Modulus of Z square is nothing but Z square. Real means case 1. If Z is real, modulus of Z square is nothing but simply Z square. What will happen here? Z square equal to 2 into 1 minus Z square. So, minus 2Z square come here means 3Z square equal to 2. So, Z square equal to 2 by 3, Z equal to plus or minus root of 2 by 3. Okay. Next we are going to see the another case. What is the next one? If Z is purely imaginary, what will happen? If Z is imaginary, what will happen? Modulus of Z square is nothing but minus Z square. Modulus of Z square is nothing but minus Z square. So, the equation will become Z square equal to 2 into 1 minus Z square is there. So, already minus modulus of Z square value is minus Z square. Therefore, you have to write here minus Z square means already minus is there. So, plus Z square. So, this is plus 2Z square. This will come here means minus 2Z square. So, Z square minus 2Z square equal to 2. So, which is nothing but minus Z square equal to 2. So, Z square is minus 2. Suppose square value is negative means that is nothing but what? I, that is root of minus 1 is I, you know very well, that is Z equal to plus or minus root 2I. Listen in this. So, Z is purely real means you should remember that modulus of Z square is simply Z square. Z is purely real means modulus of Z square is simply Z square. Suppose Z is purely imaginary means you should remember modulus of Z square is minus Z square. That's all. Now what is the value of Z here? Plus or minus root of 2 by 3 plus or minus root 2I. There are 4 values here 2 and here also 2. So number of complex number satisfies this equation is 4. Option D is the correct answer. Second one, the locus of the points representing the complex number Z for which modulus of Z plus 5 the whole square minus modulus of Z minus 5 the whole square equal to 10 is equal to what? Option A, x equal to 1 by 2, option B, x equal to 3 by 4, option C, x equal to minus 1 by 2, Option D, x equal to 3 by 2. Okay? Yes, we know very well. What is Z? Z is nothing but a complex number. Let Z equal to x plus iy. So what we want to find? The value of that one, that is locus of the points representing this one. That is modulus of Z plus 5 the whole square minus modulus of Z minus 5 the whole square, which is equal to 10. It is given. Okay? Z is nothing but x plus iy. So substitute here. You have to combine real and imaginary part. So what will happen here? This is x plus 5 plus iy the whole square minus, here Z equal to x plus iy, that is nothing but x minus 5 plus iy the whole square equal to 10. We know very well modulus of Z is nothing but square root of real part square plus imaginary part square. Here modulus whole square is here. Therefore, we just omit square root, just write the corresponding values, that is real part square, that is x plus 5 the whole square plus imaginary part square y square, then minus of, here real part is x minus 5 the whole square, imaginary part is y, so y square equal to 10. So what is this one? This is nothing but a plus b the whole square, you know very well, that is x square plus 10x plus 25 plus y square, then a minus b the whole square, that is nothing but a square plus b square minus 2ab, here minus is there, so you have to write minus x square minus 25, then formula is minus 10x, but here 10 minus, so you have to write plus 10x, okay, then this plus y square equal to 10. So plus x square minus x square get cancelled, then here minus y square, so you have to write here minus y square, okay, then plus y square minus y square get cancelled, then plus 25 minus 25 get cancelled, remaining term is 10x plus 10x, that is 20x, 20x equal to 10, because here we have minus no, so plus into minus minus y square, all the values are cancelled, remaining term is 10x plus 10x, that is nothing but 20x equal to 10. So x equal to 10 by 20, that is nothing but what? 1 by 2. Therefore your answer is x equal to 1 by 2. Option A is the correct answer for this one. I hope you are all enjoying this video. If you want more problems, means you just link this description. I gave more problems for this chapter. Thank you.